I'm really delighted to join you today in Serbia as we are coming together to celebrate the 2021 European Year of Rail.
Ovo je za nas još jedna velika prilika da pokažemo da samo zajedno možemo da idemo napred.
Ovo je pokazatelj da je čitav naš region deo evropske porodice.
Modernization of the region's railways will increase the competitiveness of the sector and bring the region closer together, with the added benefit of addressing today's climate crisis.
All sectors will need to give their contribution to green recovery and transition to a more sustainable model.
Time has come to again reconnect the major cities in the Western Balkans with reliable rail.